How can the butter of the peanuts eat the spoon? Nothing's going right today. My series are all wrong. People won't call me. My rotary phone is kaputt. I'm stuck here eating peanut butter? I can't even enjoy the peanuts of the butter. I don't understand. I want to really do an experiment today. I know precisely how to get out of this sticky situation. We are going to make the experiments from the GIFs. Eat all of the peanut butter. Das schmeckt so gut. Clean out the jar. Yeah, now it's ready. It's all empty and clean. This is boring. Need to do something with this. I've got it. Rubber bands, paper clips, battery, and the tape. First things first, cut a hole in the top and in the bottom. Now, take the two rubber bands and connect them like a loop-de-loop. Wunderbar. Take the paper clip, carefully insert it over the rubber band. Now the next step is take the tape, connect it to the battery, and now you're going to take that battery and connect it to that rubber band. Close off the lid. Yeah, this is what sciencing is like. This is what you do. Now snap it down. Oh, das ist wunderbar. Sehr schön, mein Freund. Now look at the can. I roll it, and it rolls back by itself. Auf Wiedersehen, Ken. Oh, yeah. Everyone should be doing something like this for science. It's super duper cool. Oh, hello, Ken. Come back to me. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You can do it? Yeah, you can do it too. And over there, all you kitties in the back and there in the front. Everybody can do this. You can be cool like Uncle Albert. What you think? Give it a try. How about you come roll with me sometime? Yeah, let's do this.